What a bastard. Put nails through it. Gosh dang it. Try not to talk bad about anybody else's work, but I know how much this guy charged to do this shoddy of a job, and it's really frustrating to see. I just sawed through 2 nails with my freaking handsaw. That pisses me off. Got a ton of glue to clean up on this side. Gorilla Glue expands, so if you're trying to clamp glue together, it's gonna push your seam. It's not gonna do what you actually want it to. It's for filling like big gaps, not for doing fine woodworking. All right, I've got this strap going across here. That's only for alignment of this arm. This one's going around the entirety of it. I've got this wedge, and that clamps every joint. As of right now, I've only got this joint right here glued up. I'm going to work them one by one. It's going to take a while, but it's going to give me time to do every single piece right instead of rushing and getting the same result that we had last time.